Alright guys, here's an older carrier, Tech2000. Dude, this thing is awesome. Alright, let's see the compressor. It has a Carlyle Recip. It's from 1992. It's a 5-ton. And unfortunately, that has not been running today, but I did see this thing run yesterday. And let me tell you, it was working amazing, so. I want to say this has the original GE motor, but I can't tell. There's some others, so I'm not going to. Just 2 comforts and a Gemini. There's a comfort over there. And yeah, that's it. Alright. Yeah. But this thing sounds awesome when it runs, so I'll have to get it running sometime. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.